Okay. I think my screen and voice is audible now. So can we start?
Yes, sir. Is it audible, sir? Your screen is visible, sir?
Yes, yes. Okay. I think it's now visible.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. So good evening to all. Thank you for giving this opportunity to Indian Association of Research and Development Professionals, IARDP, and SKRGC Academy. To my good friend Dr. Satish Kumar sir and the organizing team. Thank you for giving this opportunity. So today we are going to discuss about how AA we can impact in our academic works as well as skill and career. I think in terms of learning, in terms of skilling, in terms of ideation, hackathon, and startup creations. So myself, Dr. V. Nagaraj from True Line Research Private Limited and True Line Publisher and Started Ventures Private Limited. It's a location based on the location of Salem and then in Ernakulam in Kerala. So about I'll give a short profile about about my organization. Then we move on to other topic. Okay. So we started this organization, True Line Publisher, in the year of 2019. So we work with education institutions, universities in multiple disciplines like engineering, arts and science, medical, and then nursing, pharmacy. So we work with the students and faculty as well as institution growth in terms of research, in terms of technology adaptation, in terms of workshops, seminars, in terms of faculty development program, in terms of research collaboration with the industry as well as institution. So we've been a part of bridging two set of terms into one a single platform through True Line Research Private Limited, and then creating a platforms product for industry as well as education institutions. And we're an expertise in IPR, like 510 trademark and 200 as patent and 5 grand patents. And we work with various states, more than 6 states in 3 countries. We signed an MOU with the institution and universities in the specified region, and we can help for institution to be an upgrade in terms of creating a startup in from the student level. Like we have an ecosystem. So we created more than 100 plus startups in the region of Salem, Namakkal, and Dharmaburi. We did more than 40 technical events in terms of student idea into a product development, student idea into an startup entrepreneurship, especially for this type of learning and adapting that learning into our career. So I'm being a part of this professional association. So anybody knows about this professional organization? So then we can have an interactive session with you. So you have an answer, or either it is right or wrong. You can unmute yourself. You can talk ASK, BNI, IEEE, like that. So we have an interactive session. So students and faculties, it can be in a as a student, as a faculty. So dear participants, you spend a lot of time for this session, and on the organizer in part of as a speaker. I'm also going to spend a few hours for this learning. So we'll have an interactive session. You get more number of knowledge from my side about my experience. Without interacting, just like with login, we can't able to get any more. So as a participants, you've been a part of this professional bodies. You can tell me, like IEEE, IET, or IE, or anything else. You can unmute yourself. You can tell me. Yes. Any other interactions? எஸ் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலா இது என்னன்னா ஒரு இன்டராக்டிவ் செஷனா இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால எனிதிங் எல்ஸ் லேர்ன் பண்ண முடியும். ஜஸ்ட் லைக் இட் லாகின் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம ஐடியா இருந்தா கண்டிப்பா லேர்ன் பண்ண முடியாது. இந்த மாதிரியான ப்ரொஃபஷனல் ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ல யாராவது மெம்பரா இருக்கீங்களா? எனி ஒன் ப்ரொஃபஷனலா இருக்கலாம். எஸ் தேர் ஆர்கனைசிங் டீம் அன்மியூட் ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு அவங்களுக்கு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்க்கு, இல்ல ஏதாவது ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? ஆர்கனைசிங் டீம்
எஸ் சார், ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு சார்.
ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குங்களா? ஓகே ஓகே.
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்.
எஸ் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் இந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பாடிஸ்ல ஏதாவது நீங்க இருக்கீங்களான்னு ஜஸ்ட் செஞ்சுக்கலாமா? anyone you can unmute if you are been a member in this professional organization. Any messaging? No, sir. Rashmi Niranjan, not yet. Okay. Yes, remaining peoples. So, any other person? Mr. Ram Babu, Madhi Katika. Mrs. Padibu Balakrishnan. as a student இருக்கலாம், ஃபேக்கல்ட்டியா இருக்கலாம். நமக்கு ஒரு லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ரெக்யர்மெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸ்டடீஸ், இன்டர்னல் அசஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ், எனி ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஒர்க்ஸ், டிகிரி கிளியரன்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரியான ஒர்க் இருக்கலாம். இன் அரௌண்ட் இருக்கிறது நம்ம இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ல இருக்கிறத தாண்டி அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் நம்ம லேர்ன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we need some network opportunities with the professionals in the respective sector. அதுக்கு இந்த பார்ட் ஆஃப் பீயிங் மெம்பர் அந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கேப் எப்படி ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணணும், நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்னென்ன விஷயத்துக்கு தான் தயாராகணும் அப்படிங்கிறத கம்ப்ளீட்டா தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். ஓகேங்களா? இதுல ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர் ஆகலாம், ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டும் மெம்பர் ஆகலாம். இன்கேஸ் உங்க இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் ரெடியா இருக்காங்கன்னா சொல்லுங்க. I'll give my profile at the end of the session. நீங்க இது யாராவது ப்ரொஃபஷனல் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் உங்க இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ல, ஸ்டூடெண்ட் சாப்டர் ரன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா நான் ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன். இது மூலயமா இப்ப இருக்க இண்டஸ்ட்ரியோட நீட் என்ன, அந்த நீட்ஸ்க்குண்டான ஸ்கில்ஸை நம்ம எப்படி லேர்ன் பண்ணணும், நெக்ஸ்ட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியோட கொலாபரேஷன் எப்படி எடுத்துக்க முடியும், நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பாடிஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க, அந்த ஃபண்டிங் எப்படி நம்ம இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ண முடியும், இது எல்லாமே கம்ப்ளீட்டா நீங்க பண்ண முடியும். இதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா more than 20+ ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸ்ல இருக்கும், ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பாடியா இருக்கும். பீயிங் எ பர்சன் அண்ட் பீயிங் எ கம்பெனியா நம்ம இதுல மெம்பரா இருக்கும். இது மூலயமா குளோபல் லெவல்ல இருக்க இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கனெக்ட்ஸ், டீச்சிங் ப்ரொஃபஷனல் கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு இந்த பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ஆனா என்னோட சஜஷன் இந்த மாதிரியான ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பாடிஸ் தான் மெம்பரா இருங்க. அப்பதான் கண்டிப்பா ஒரு நெட்வொர்க்கிங் கிரியேட் ஆகும். அது மூலியமா நமக்கு உண்டான பார்ட்னர்ஷிப்ஸ் கிரியேட் ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே, ஒரு சின்ன இன்சைட்ஸ். ரேங்க் குளோபல் ரேங்கிங்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னோவேஷன்ல இந்தியா பாத்தீங்கன்னா 39th பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு அவுட் ஆஃப் 132 கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல. அண்ட் தமிழ்நாடு 3rd பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜிஎஸ்டில பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்தியா 2nd பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. தமிழ்நாடு லாஸ்ட் இயர் 2025 பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1st பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? இது மட்டும் இல்லாம எக்கனாமில பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்தியா 4th பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. குளோபல் லெவல்ல இருக்க கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல டாப் 5ல 4th பிளேஸ்ல இந்தியா இருக்கு. தமிழ்நாடு 2nd பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் எம்எஸ்எம்இ செக்டார்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு மீடியம் ஸ்கேல் இருக்க செக்டார்ஸ், இண்டஸ்ட்ரி செக்டார்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்தியால 2nd பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கும், தமிழ்நாடுல 3rd பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கும். பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்தியாவில பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 lakh ஸ்டார்ட் அப்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. 2 லட்சம் ஸ்டார்ட் அப்ஸ் மட்டுமே இந்தியாவில் இருக்காங்க till 2025 வரைக்கும். தமிழ்நாடுல 16,000 ஸ்டார்ட் அப்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? இதனோட டேட்டா எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா இண்டஸ்ட்ரி எஸ்பெஷலி இன் தமிழ்நாடு அந்த growth ஆஃப் ரேஷியோ பாத்தீங்கன்னா டே பை டே இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டு தான் இருக்கு. அப்ப இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸும் அதிகமா இருக்கு. அதுக்குள்ளான ஸ்கில்ஸ், அதுக்குள்ளான ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் நம்ம ப்ராப்பரா இருந்தோம் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா அந்த ஸ்கில்ஸ் நம்ம அச்சீவ் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா நமக்குள்ளான பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸோ இல்ல ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கிரியேஷனோ ஈவன் ஃப்ரம் எம்எஸ்எம்இ ஆர் ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கேட்டகரி என்ன எனி செட் ஆஃப் டைப்ல என்ன பண்ணா நம்ம கம்பெனி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா எஸ்டிஜின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. மூவ் ஆன் பண்றேன். எஸ்டிஜிங்கிறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா சஸ்டைனபிள் டெவலப்மெண்ட் கோல்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மோர் தென் 17 பிளஸ் சஸ்டைனபிள் கோல்ஸ் இருக்கு. எனி ரிலேட்டட் ரிலேட்டடான இன்னோவேட்டிவான விஷயம் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த இன்னோவேஷனை வந்து இந்த 17 கோல்ஸ்ல மேட்ச் பண்ற மாதிரி எனி ஒன் ஆஃப் த கோல் ஏதர் குட் ஹெல்த் அண்ட் வெல்பீங்கா இருக்கலாம், நோ பாவர்ட்டியா இருக்கலாம், அஃபோர்டபுள் அண்ட் கிளீன் எனர்ஜியா இருக்கலாம்,
Sir,
கிளைமேட் ஆக்ஷனா இருக்கலாம்.
sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, sir. Sorry for the interaction, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, faculty members, some of us can talk to English, sir.
ஓ, ஓகே ஓகே, ரைட் ஓகே.
Yeah, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
தேங்க்யூ. Okay. So, if you have an innovative ideas in AI technology, you can match in just one of the goal or many of the goal. So, I think in the global level, they given us some set of goals. More than 17 goals are there in sustainable developments. So, you have an innovative ideas, either it is concept or ideation or prototype, or you have any product, you can interrelate with this step of goals, any one of the goal. So it's a 17 goals. It's available in Google, and each and every set of goals there is some validation actions and plans. You can discuss. You can detailing with the concept, and you can create your own product. So the mandatory is that if you are going to approach any funding agency or any investments from the government as well as private, basic things they need to identify which type of category goals it match for this innovative ideas. So based on that only we can get an investments or funds or anything else. So as a faculty members, as a student, do you have an idea to do any extra activities in this innovative concept? You can just read this 17 goals and you can take it as an one or two or three goals, and you can create your innovative products. And then, so before going to start an innovation, we need to know about design thinking concept. So you all know about design thinking. It's in a 5 stage. One is empathize, second one is define, third one is ideate, fourth one is prototype, and fifth one is test. So you need to know about design thinking. What is my design thinking? It's an innovation theory laws to create an innovative product with the support of people and technology in terms of commercial aspects. So design thinking is in a 5 stage. We need to understand the problems based on the sustainable goals. So you need to understand is the first category is called empathize. Second one is define. It's an second category which is identifying the problem based on the insights. You get some idea in the sense creating a solution for that insights and problems. And fourth one is prototype. So you need to create a product or any models about your problem. You are going to give a solution. So this will be handled by this prototype model. After the professional peoples, whether the idea is given a solution, is giving better solution or is giving you solutions, that define idea, prototype, and test. And in student research, we have one frameworks that is called flame. So anyone know about flame? What is my flame? Anyone know about flame? What is my flame? The meaning word flame. Yes, participants, you have an idea, you can just unmute yourself, you can answer the particular term word flame. What is my flame? Yes, any idea? Flame? Okay. So the keyword term name is called flame is called it's like fire ignites spark. So in True Line Research we have one framework that is called flame is called find, learn, adapt, modernize, elevate. So this is the framework. find, learn, adapt, modernize, and elevate. So you have an innovate ideas with the support of technology development. You're going to create a product, or going to give an idea, or you're going to give a methodology. You need to follow this plain category. You can get a valid information, valid product from the idea. So find your opportunities and market game. Then second one is learn. You can learn as a knowledge from the particular opportunities. And third one is adapt. You need to you are already define the opportunity. You created a knowledge to a platform learning, and you can adapt in your particular concept. Then modernize. You can create an innovative product. It's like a prototype or methodology or a product. And then elevate in the sense you can develop and you can make it as a market commercialization. So this is called a flame. Find, learn, adapt, modernize. And one more, I will give you two more points. Then we will move to the AI technology. How we can adapt in our practical skills in terms of academicians. So then OKR in the sense objective key results. So as a faculty member or as students, we need some goal setting for a particular time period. Either it is in 6 months or a 1 year or a 2 years. So that goal set framework is called OKR, objectives and key results. Objective in the sense specified goal for your profession. Either faculty, we need to do at least two startups and two publication and two book publication and two patents like that. As a student, you need to learn at least two programming language or one programming language, and you need to at least attend one certification program. So this is the basic goal settings. And key result in the sense we need to fix the particular goals in the time duration, either 6 months or 1 year or 2 year or 3 years. Within the stipulated time, we need to execute this. That is called key result. So objective key result is very much important. We are going to supposed to accessing a knowledge from the technology. And then MVP, minimum viable product. So MVP in the sense we need to deliver a first level of service in the innovative product. That is called minimum viable product. So in this diagram, there will be a three set of rows diagram. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Row 3 is called MVP, minimum viable product, this one. So the minimum viable product in the sense, first level of execution will deliver some services. Either it is in a product, or it is a service, or in a model, or in a consulting. That should be deliver a first level of service in a stage 1. So you see the last row diagram. First diagram is considered as an we can travel in this vehicle. Second, you can travel along with the goods. And third one, it is a modernized vehicle, third and fourth. So the stage 1, stage 2, 1, stage 3, stage 4, each stage at least giving one set of services in a stage 1. So the minimum viable product is called like this for you. And especially in startups, okay. So we need to know the few key terms to about how to make a product. One is called mentor, second one is incubator, third one is accelerator. So anybody know about what is my mentor? Faculty members, you can unmute yourself, you can answer. What is my mentor? Any guessing? Mentor? So anyone can unmute yourself, you can answer. What is my mentor? Yes,
Like
yes.
a mentor is like a friend or like any giving guidelines to the starter.
Good. Sir, can you know your
My
name?
name is Rambabu sir. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, Ram Babu sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving the response for this question. Thank you. Yes, rightly said by Ram Babu sir. Mentor is an experienced person, either from a friend or an industry person or a teaching profession or any other sector domain, who is going to give a guide for a particular concept which is related to their sector. So that is called as a mentor. So as a faculty members, my humble advice is that you need to create at least a one batch of people like with around two members or three members or four members who can develop an innovative ideas and create it as startup product. So as a faculty, the role being as an guiding the people, guiding the students. So we mentor, we can take it as a two way. One is teaching profession. Second one is industry person. So teaching profession will guide you to develop the product in a good level of execution. Ready need us for the particular industry giving a solution. So the industry people will also be in a mentor. Teaching faculty also be in a mentor to guide you to get an innovative product. And second one is the incubator. So incubator in the sense, we all know about that incubator. The incubator is like an born baby. So when born baby is born, now they going to place in a particular place that is called incubation. So the incubation in the sense, you have an idea, you need to develop this in a product that is called incubator. So the incubation will act as an the students or a faculty. They have an idea, they are going to nurture this idea into an innovative product. So that can support by the incubators. And then accelerator. So we all know about that. You need a funding supports for your startup idea that we need to get from a support from the external like government agencies and private agencies like angel investors or venture capital from the accelerator concept. So most probably in Tamil Nadu, especially in Tamil Nadu, we have around more than 224 incubations. So with the support of this incubation, you can get a fund from that incubation and you can develop your idea. So these three terms we need to know about before going to start an startup or going to start an innovative ideas. And anyone know about this market sizing technique? So this information all about, it's not a theoretical. You have an idea, how we can convert this idea into a company. So my humble request, you have an idea, you have an answer for this, you can unmute yourself. Okay. Market sizing techniques. Anyone know about market sizing techniques? Anyone can unmute yourself and I can tell what is my market sizing techniques. Yes, market sizing techniques. There will be three major category: TAM, SAM, and SOM. TAM, SAM, and SOM. So anyone know about this? You can tell, or else you can tell me how to market our innovative products. Anyone have an idea? You can tell me how to market our product, innovative product in a commercial aspect. Because most probably we know about that AICT and UGC and NBN and NAT. They are asking each and every set of inspection. They are asking how many ideas that UG PG projects convert into commercial aspects. So they're
So first we need to understand the customer need and requirement.
good. When customer understanding and requirement. Good. Next.
And which is more relevant to the place, like whether it is suitable or not.
Oh, depends upon the region. Yes, good. Okay, it's going to suitable or not. Yes, good.
And we need to understand who is the target customer of
Yes,
our
very
product.
good. That's some major important things in a startup. We need to know about the target audience. Good, good, sir. Next.
And we need to channelize how to reach the customer
Very
of
good,
my
very good.
customer. So establishing like a distribution channel or supply chain management, and getting the right feedback from the people.
Yes. Can you know your name, sir?
My name is Ram Babu, sir.
Rambo. Oh, again Rambo, sir. Yes. Thank you for giving this response because I don't know about that because I'm in a full screen way.
I posted something in the text back, since from 10
Yes,
minutes.
we'll have a discussion. Okay, no problem. Yes, is right answer from Ram Babu, sir. Thank you for giving an immediate response. So we all know about that TAM, SAM, and how we can achieve the product into the customer side needs. So do you have an idea? You are going to develop an idea into product. You must know about this three concept. Without knowing the concept, without creating a product, is not able to make it a commercial aspects. So for example, I'm taking from one place. Okay, so I'll choose from Rambubuza place. It's in Hyderabad. So we all know about that. Hyderabad is an topmost developing region in the state as well as in the district as well as in the country. It's going to be, I think they do a lot of commercial industry aspects. They are doing a lot of programs. They are establishing some global level companies in the particular region. For example, we are going to take one innovative product. Like we can take it as one innovative product like mobile phone. It's an smart mobile phone. It's in a foldable mobile phone. You can take it as a foldable mobile phone in a lowest price. It's around 10 to 15,000. For example, we are taking. So we need to know about that. Who are all the target audience for this smart foldable mobile phone? So for example, we are going to take as in Hyderabad. Example, we are going to take it's a 15 lakhs population. For example, I'm going to take, but I don't know whether the population. So in around Hyderabad, we are going to target 15 lakhs people in the sense, in 15 lakhs people, who are all the audience is going to use foldable mobile phone. Okay. So we can, out of 15 lakhs, we can target 8 lakh peoples. Okay. So that 8 lakh people will be in a target audience. So that is taken as a total addressable market, TAM. Okay. Out of 8 lakh people, we are going to service to the total 8 lakh people, or else there will be some target. For example, I'm going to take it as an out of 8 lakh people, I'm going to target 6 lakh people as an market ready opportunities to receive the market that clients or people's in around that particular 6 lakh. So that 6 lakhs is called service available market. Okay. So we have our total market size is 8 lakh. So we can't able to reach as in a global level company or in a small industry or in a medium industry. We can't able to reach in an exact value. So we need to give us some target volume. This called out of 8 lakhs, we are going to market 6 lakh people in that. 6 lakh people is called SAM, service available market. Okay. And then so this called serviceable obtainable market. Out of 6 lakh people in a 1 year, how much we are going to obtain through the product, through the clients. This is called SOEM. So these three things we need to identify because based on the Ram Babu says that based on the location, based on the target audience, we need to analyze the market gap in this concept. Okay, in best way to a market sizing analyzation with the competitor of companies using 8 companies and market size and all. Because Perplexity is developed in especially in Tamil Nadu. They are working with web-based oriented sources. Majorly, they are working with web-based oriented sources because most probably the company having a profile in Google or in a social media or anything else, they can identify that particular things using the tool is called Perplexity. So we can identify the competitor marketplace and then companies who are all that they can understand, they can analyze, they can take a market survey through this platform Perplexity. Okay. So this is called TAM, SAM, and so. Out of 8 lakhs, we obtained either 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs or exact 6 lakhs. This is called TAM, SAM, and so. Okay. And we move to the startup category. Okay. After that, we will move to the A technology. And anybody know about what is the startup? Startup. Anybody know what is the startup?
A startup is an entity. It's like a business or like an organization. It's like any kind of dealing with a product or service that is known as a startup. As my observation,
Yes,
it's
good.
like a business entity. It's a business entity.
Okay, right. Any other answers? Any other answers from the audience? Yes, it's an entity that will okay. So it's an entrepreneurial team with innovative ideas and target to grow fast and scalable business model. This is called startup. So in the startup, it will be a team. The team must have an innovative ideas, either in a service or in a product. That will be an innovative ideas in a service or a product. That will be an innovative ideas in a company. Like we can take it as a Sati sir. So from a Satish side, I want to ask you, what are the things that Ram Babu sir will ask now? Demand or need for the society, especially for the peoples. The university will be did a survey in the we did a survey in this data in previously in the previous slides. In Asia, it's top 25 category. In Asia, it's top 20. In funding, startups are there in India, and then create more than 17 lakhs jobs. So, and one more information: more than 50% of entrepreneurs in a company, it's run by the company as a in what scalable model that you have done in the past year, either 6 months or 1 year. That entire things will be done only through the mistake. And funding in the sense it's based upon the government seed funds, grant funds, or from the private funds. Equity in the sense if the company investing in a company as an investing in a company, they are asking about the equity, 1% or 2% or 3% or 5%. Based upon the investment, they are asking. So they can calculate your overall valuation of a company, 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs. Based on this overall valuation, they're going. So that equity valuation funding is based upon the funding related model. So that we need to know. And in startup, there will be a three-stage: pre-launch, launch phase, and growth phase. Pre-launch in the sense you have an idea, develop the product. Now that product is needed for the market. You can move on to the growth stage. Like you need to invest in a crores and crores. Now that will be handled by the growth phase. It's called angel investor, venture capitalist, series A, B, C. Like that you can invest. So this is a model. It's innovation and startup model. And Perplexity, Gemini, anything else. So these are the websites. You can make a screenshot of the website, and you can develop your prompt keywords. Somebody will know about how to frame a prompt. So using this website, you can create a prompt and you can develop your ideas. Okay. So prompt hackers, prompt cowboy, and we generate prompt generators, prompt arc.net. These are the platforms we can given a one line, we create a prompt. Then using this prompted things you can copy and paste in any other AI tools. Okay. So AI, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These are the key terms that going to adapt your ideas into a product or into a methodology, into an in terms of innovative ideas, in terms of methodology, in terms of service or product. So AI will do a task based on human intelligence. Machine learning, creating a subset of the AI that the data can be created without programming. And deep learning is called neural network with the multiple layers. And natural language processing is able to understand generate the human languages. And these are the following terms which used in AI technology that we need to know. Then only we can use the AI platform. And we'll suggest one of the best AI tools is called Claude, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Perplexity, and Notion AI. So these are the topmost AI tools. You can create a number of innovative ideas for hackathon, for a contest, for a startup. You can create a number of things through this platform with the support of prompt. This is my from out of this. The best tool has been a Claude for creating and innovating in a commercial aspects. So this is called Claude. Most probably the tools are they have a free version. You need an advanced level of learning outcome now that you need to purchase from the paid version. And for all using Airtel, you can get Perplexity as a free version, pro version, Airtel user. And you are using Geo network, you can get a paid version using Geo SIM now. You can get from Gemini, Google Gemini. So these are two tools giving a free version, paid free version who are using Airtel and Geo. So you can log into your Geo and Airtel app. There is an option for getting this AI tools. And for especially for design, you can use Canva, Midjourney, Figma, and Adobe Stencil. And content creation, you can use ChatGPT, Grammarly, Jasper, and Lumen. So these are the Basic AI tools you are going to use. Okay. And best AI tool for an ecosystem, startup ecosystem. You can make it as a screenshot with this components. These are the components that you need to know while using the AI ecosystem. Then only we can frame an complete our design model, innovative model. Okay. And some of the tools for doing a small business, either in a custom service, content creation, email marketing, website building, design scheduling, and bookkeeping and CRM. And for startups, for a development, you can use this tool, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and product design, Figma, Gamma, customer support for Instagram, Zendesk, marketing, sales, financial, video creation, analytics, and hiring. These are the A tools. Few things are in a free version, few things are in a paid version. Especially for students, AI tools for students. You can use this study assistance, ChatGPT, Claude, research, perplexity, writing, Grammarly, Quillbot, note taking, Otter AI and Notion AI, math and science, so Wolfram Alpha, Photo Max, language related, presentation related, code reading related, career related, and time management. You can use this type of tools to get a knowledge in a short and quick way using the type of technology. And I'll give some demo. So my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So I'll give a demo in Google Gemini. Okay. So we all know about that. We need to know the prompt way, correct way. Okay. I'll give one thing. Simple. Okay. So I mentioned on a prompt. 1 minute, I'll tell you. You are an experienced faculty with 5 years of teaching experience in an engineering college, specializing in guiding second year computer science students through hackathon. So you are going to guide the students for participating in hackathon. So you need to mention your profession. You are a junior faculty or a senior faculty. How much experience that you are having, in which sector, teaching or industry, anything else, and where you are working. It's an engineering or arts and science. And you need to mention what's your requirement. Specializing in guiding second year computer science students through hackathon. Okay. So you given a short note about your profile. Then you need to ask what type of things that you need. Is to provide comprehensive guidance covering ideation to final, presentation, student understanding core concept, effective applying my skills, and provide step by step for mentorship framework for this hackathon. So you've been an experienced student with the 5 years experience. You are going to guide a second year computer student for hackathon. For hackathon, you need what type of things you need. Step by step procedure to understand, apply, and get an innovative product. So I given this information through the paid version in ChatGPT. Okay. So in ChatGPT is 5.2 is a pro version. I'm using the 5.2 pro version. There will be different type of pro versions are there. Different versions: auto, instant thinking, and pro. So and legacy model is called 5.4.0, 5.1, 5.1 thinking instant. These are the basic models. You need to know these terms, which type of ChatGPT model you are going to use. That you need to know, then only you can get the information. Because we mentioned this thinking is a think for a better answer, and pro is this research get intelligence. So I given this prompt in this conversation. So it's generate like hackathon mentorship framework for AI development. So the phase one is then orientation and team formation. So you need to form a team, okay, about that introduction. Step two, problem selection and ideation. Step one, we need to identify the validation problem, solution, define MVP. And stage three, technical planning. So how we are going to create this innovative product with the support of open source tool in a market. That we need to design first, we need to design an architecture and workflow. Then technology stack selection. What type of programming language you are going to do, what type of frameworks and platforms that you are going to use, and then data sets. It's available in Kaggle, UCA, and open source data sets. And then timing and task allocation. This is the phase three. And phase four, implementation and interactive developments. So prototype that you need to develop now, that these are the things we need to know. Model development, testing and validation, integration, and mentor checkpoint. And fifth one is presentation. And sixth one is evaluation. Self-evaluation, or else you can ask from the faculty members or you can ask from the industry people. Okay. So these are the basic things that we need to plan for students who are going to guide in a specified domain. In this theme, I mentioned as an AI development, or else you can choose any other theme, either from healthcare, either from a commerce, either in terms of Indian global economy. That what are the things that you have, you can mention. So these are the frameworks, and you need this in a detailed way. I'll give one option. So I'm copying this phase two content. I'm pasting. Give me a detailed plan of action. So I take just taken and copy this information. Okay. So I'm asking, give me a detailed plan of action. Again, I'm giving a conversation to the provision. So either in a free version or pro version, you can use anything else. No more issues. Let's take time for analyzing the information to pro version. So it takes some time. So I'm going to skipping this pro version thing and get us some information. Okay. So they given us some information about detailed plan. I think phase two. So what will be the phase two? What are the steps that we need to develop? Step by step action for this plan. Step one: constraint a setting and context alignment. Like hackathons will be in a 24 or 36. And what are the skills we need to know? What are the students who need to learn? Step two: problem discovery. Step three: problem validation. Step four: solution ideation. Step 5, data availability check. Step 6, MVP. All those things given by ChatGPT. You can align this concept into an idea, you can develop a product. I'll give one more example. If you are a faculty, you need to design some curriculum for our students. So that's why I given. You are a senior faculty members with the 5 years of experience teaching in English. You're going to realize in curriculum development in a strong understanding of AI in healthcare. The task to design a comprehensive and engaging curriculum for new title AI in healthcare. So that is in a prompt I given. They given us some proposed model. Course plan is called AI in healthcare. It's in 14 weeks, 3 credits, basically on machine learning, fundamental and all. First course objective, curriculum map, model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4, and model 5. They given us 5 models. Okay. Then what are the projects that you need to take? That's also given. Okay, 5 weeks. So it's given a 5 units. Unit 1, what will be the unit 1? How many hours need to be taken? And what are the contents? Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. And suggestions and books for this concept. So these are the 5 units. these are the things that samples. So I'll give only two examples. Given only two examples, and I'll give another one two demos for a demo. So anyone know about notebook LLM? Notebook LLM. Yes, anyone know about notebook LLM? Yes, notebook LLM. Okay, I'll explain. This is a Google product. Okay, notebook LLM. If you have a documents like this, you can create this in document with this information. Like I can't able to read the entire PDF. I need the audio version. You can use this audio version. So the content is generating. I'll give some demo. This is an audio version. This is a video version. The entire PDF data is shown in this slide in a video version. And mind mapping, I'll give an example for mind mapping. So all generated report. So generating the content, and just now I added in this information. It's loading. So you can get this notebook LLM with the support of PDF, either it's in subject book or a theory or a skills. You can get an output as a free version in this way: audio as a video, as a mind map, as a report, as a flashcard, as a quiz, as an infographic, as a slide deck or data table. So it's generating now. That's why I can't able to get this information. You can get only one output is called mind mapping. So I'll show the mind mapping. So this is our mind mapping concept. So I added one CSIR funding agency support. They're doing lot of research works. They are under the government of Tamil Nadu as well as the government of India. So the CSR is in various states. It's under the government of India. So it shows the lot of CSR funding agencies, CSR research works. So while clicking, for example, giving a CSIR Elena, it shows the details. Genomic research, bioinformatics, and precision and microbiomes. So if you are going to give genomic research now, it's going to give you the data. This is the mind mapping concept for this. You can get a number of insights, inputs based on this notebook LLM. So you can't, you're not supposed now to read all those things now. You can get a crispy information from this tool. So it shows what is my genomic category, which category that belongs to, where it is established, what are the things they are doing, human health disease, and omic spectrum, microbial and system studies, data-driven science. It's all done in this genomic research. So that information is going to give through this notebook LLM. It's a very effective LLM. You can use this LLM. You can get a number of insights about this in a different way. If you are supposed to understand in a various language, now you can choose the various language like Hindi, Malayalam, Kannadam, Telugu, Urdu, Tamil, or anything else. You can click this now. The audio version will be in this version. So it's a very much effective LLM model for learning capability in a easiest way. I give that's called creating a PPT model using AI tool. That is called Gamma AI. Few slides will be in a free version, and few slides will be in a paid version. Okay, if you need a premium version, you need to pay. Okay, so you can get a presentation or web page or documents, anything else with the setup of how many cards you are knowing. You can just type now. You can use some information with the support of slides. Its tool name is called Gamma AI. So previously we created one sample. I'll show these things. This is a sample presentation that I get from the document. So I'm attaching the document now. It's going to automatically going to give a report like this presentation. This is the sample presentation that I prepared. It's all taken from this platform. So you no need to create No need to design each and every slides. You need to mention the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4 as the content as a Word or PDF. It is automatically going to create this presentation with the different images. This is one of the AI tools that we used. So, any doubts in this regards AI tools? We'll have a discussion. Yes, students and faculty members, do you have any doubt in these AI tools? Okay, I shown the three of tools: Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and Gamma Notebook LLM. And I shown few of the tools are there in AI in specific categories. Do you have any doubt in this? Then I will have a query session. After that, we'll move on to the final presentation. Is dear faculty members any doubts or any clarity you need in the previous slides? Now, then we'll have a query sessions. Previous slides ஏதாவது doubts வந்தா கேட்கலாம் students or faculty members. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது previous slides இருக்க doubts and clarification இருக்கு, you need any further support na, then I can support for your institution as well as your startups. Yes, any doubts?
Participants, if you have any queries, you may ask now. So shall we conclude the session, sir?
Okay, so I'll give a conclusion. And through in research, we work with the AI technology development for industry people as well as institution in terms of AI consulting advisory model, industry academic meetup, AI platform creations, global education partnership, global capability, research and innovation, IPR consulting like patent, trademark, copyrights, and accreditation ranking supports. So we do a lot of activities which is related to gaining the knowledge and implementing the concept, the AI concept in this various domain. And we have another one organization in the name of Student Publisher. So we are specialized in research publications, either from IEEE conference, Scopus Index publication, or Web of Science like SCA publications, or else anything book publication, organizing international conference. That we can do this platform through Tooling Publisher. So this is my another one company, and this is my contact details like email ID, website, and contact numbers. Do you have any queries or doubts, or you need any support regarding this program? You need any need to organize any programs in your institution or university? You can directly approach me through this contact number. And this is my LinkedIn page and Facebook and Instagram. So in LinkedIn, I have more than 18,000 plus followers in my profile. So we are giving a number of insights and data like research funding, grant funding, startup creations, technology development. So we share a lot of things in this LinkedIn page. You can use this Nagaraj with this space Varatharaj in a LinkedIn profile. You can follow and you can get a connect with me. Regard these insights. And this is my feedback. I'm asking about the reviews and feedbacks. So you have a feedback. You can just use this QR ID. You can scan icon. You can post your review and feedbacks about the today's session. You can make it a screenshot and you can make a process for this feedbacks and queries or anything else. You can post in this. And this is my contact details. You can contact me through this mobile number. So you have any queries and we lost, we can ask, or else we'll wind up the session. Yes, any queries or feedbacks? Or else from the organizing team, you can ask any queries and anything else. No, you can ask.
No queries, sir.
Yes. So shall we wind up the session?
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
Yes. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Satish Kumar sir, for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much. A good friend, a will sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity, Mr. Satish Kumar sir. Thank you, organizing
Uh,
team. Yes,
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Let me conclude with a vote of thanks, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all for being part of this enriching session. On behalf of the IARDP and SKRGC Academy, I would like to express a sincere and heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nagaraj Varatharaj sir for graciously accepting our invitation and for delivering such an insightful and thought-provoking session on AI frontiers, bridging academia, research, and startups. Sir, your valuable perspectives, real world experience, and motivating insights have truly enriched our understanding of how artificial intelligence can transform academic research and fuel innovations in the startup ecosystem. We are extremely grateful for your time, dedication, and willingness to share your expertise with us. We would also like to thank our organizers, coordinators, and technical team for their tireless effort in making this such event success. A special note of appreciation to all the participants for their present participation. With this, I conclude the session and once again, thanks Dr. Nagaraj Vadraj sir and everyone present here today. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you all participants. Thank you for the patience. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.